Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by ensuring the environment is ready, Python 3. 8 or newer and core libraries like Pandas and NumPy. Once done, verify you can access the file or database. Try reading a few lines to confirm permissions and encoding. Then load the dataset into a data frame with Pandas. Read CSV, read JSON, or read SQL depending on source. This gives you immediate access to rows and columns for inspection, and it avoids trial and error later when you begin cleaning and transforming data. Next, you dig into cleaning and transforming. Start by inspecting dtypes, missing values, and duplicates using df, info, head, and describe to build a plan. Then apply targeted fixes, drop or fill missing values, convert types with a stipe, and parse data times for time series work. Once values are consistent, normalize or scale numeric features and encode categoricals with getDummies or sklern encoders so models and aggregations behave predictably. These steps reduce subtle. Finally, you persist and validate the process dataset. Save to CSV, to Parquet, or to SQL and include schema or version metadata so others can reproduce your steps. Then run validation. Sample queries, statistical sanity checks, and small unit tests for each transformation to catch regressions. If something goes wrong, focus troubleshooting on encoding errors, dtype mismatches, unexpected NA-NS, or misaligned indexes. These are the most common culprits and usually quick to fix once identified.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.